Okay, we've got a really special Chloe bay for you today. Special because it's part leather and part python. And it's so luxurious and beautiful. It really feels fantastic. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So we've got the double top handles. The exact measurements are on the website, but this might sort of give you an idea of the size. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 to 10. Okay, it is that classic, beautiful bay. If you missed out and didn't get one, this is your chance to get one, and it's a really special one as well. So it comes with the Chloé dust bag. On the front, of course, you've got your Chloé badge. A double zip pull, amazing zip pulls, and it's a double zip pull for that pocket that's on the front, and the pocket goes right to the base. So that's a really good sized pocket. And then we've got the zip top closure. Let's open that up and show you inside, and then that huge, fantastic cavernous space inside there. There is also one zipped pocket on the inside. Again, it's a big, deep pocket there. The fantastic thing about this bag is all the stuff on it is kind of big and chunky. So the space inside is big and chunky. All the pockets are big. You can fit lots of stuff in them. All of the pulls for the pockets and the zips are big and chunky, so they're easy to grab and pull and open. It's a really usable bag. The handles, again, they've got that kind of chunky feel to them. They feel really soft, beautiful leather. It's an absolutely gorgeous tote bag. So the condition, we've said that the exterior is in good condition. There's nothing major to point out. You can just see that the bag has been used. I am going to just show you on the handles. If I do it that way, can you see here some signs of use and signs of wear? So we've called the exterior good for that reason. The interior we've called very good. Nothing particularly to point out. Again, there's just some signs of wear. And the hardware we've called good condition. Again, nothing to point out to you. You can just see that the bag has had some use to it. Personally, I think this is the kind of bag that suits having had a little bit of wear to it. You know, some bags are the sort that need to be kept neat and crisp and pristine, and others, just the fabric and style suit a much more relaxed feel and vibe to them, and that's what this has got. So I think that kind of adds to the charm of this bag. So if you are interested in this gorgeous, very special python Chloé, there is a link to it if you go to my comments below this video, and it will take you straight there. Whilst you're there, of course, you can have a look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. And whilst you're on the website, sign up to the newsletter. We'll send you a discount code of 5% off your first purchase. So it's really worth getting that discount code ready. Take a few seconds, it's dead easy. You'll either get a little pop-up box come onto your screen that you can fill in. If that doesn't happen, you can scroll to the bottom of any page. There's a little box, you can put your email address in, and we will immediately send you your discount code. If for any reason, and we had this over the weekend, someone was trying to buy something and she was trying to get the discount code, and she emailed saying the discount code hasn't come through, it was in her spam folder. So the discount code comes automatically. If you don't get it within 20 seconds, check your spam folder. It's probably gone in there, okay? I've also put a link to our Instagram. If you are interested in bags and arm candy, come and join us on Instagram. Instagram has got all of our beautiful arm candy on there, but we also have a bit more about what's going on actually at Arm Candy HQ. So what's coming up, what's coming in next week, what's happening with the team, what's going on in our flagship store, all that kind of thing is on Instagram. So come and join us on that. And thank you for watching our videos. We're really happy to have you with us. If you enjoy the videos and if you like seeing all of our arm candy, then subscribe to this channel. We have arm candy coming in all the time. And if there's something in particular that you're looking for, then you can subscribe to the channel, and who knows, that might be what comes in tomorrow.